Guys, today I will show you how to use Loom Video Recorder. So press over to Google. Type in Loom Video Recorder. Click on the first link. Now click on Get Loom for free. We're going to use the online app. Sign in with your Google account. After that, here we have already sent a new law. So here let's click on New Video Plus button and click on Recording Video. So click on Always Allow Law and click on the URL. Now we will give Access Law our webcam. So Loom has access on our webcam, on our microphone, and you can zoom below this time. And here you have the integrated camera and the default microphone. So here click on Full Screen. You're gonna choose if you want to share your full screen, or window, or current tab, or just camera only. And you have the button Start Recording. Click on it to start recording your screen. See, I turned off my camera. I can turn it on, turn it off. So, by default, Loom provides you with 5-minute recording limit as we are in the free plan here. So, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.